Hey everyone, today we're exposing WapEx, a crypto trading platform that's been making the rounds with promises of massive profits and 90% win rates. But is WapEx a legitimate trading platform or is it an elaborate scam? Let's break it down. So WapEx markets itself as a cryptocurrency trading platform where users can trade crypto and supposedly earn high returns through copy trading and signals. They claim to offer trading tools, 24/7 customer support, and easy profits. Sounds professional, right? However, there are some major red flags. First, regulation. WapEx has no legitimate trading license. They are not listed among any legally recognized exchanges and have no traceable permit from global regulators. While they claim to be registered with FinCEN in the United States, this is extremely misleading. FinCEN registration is just a basic money services business registration. It's not a trading license and does not mean the platform is regulated or trustworthy. Second, the referral structure. WapEx heavily pushes a referral program where you earn commissions based on deposits or trading volumes of people you recruit. This is a classic Ponzi scheme behavior, using new investors' money to pay early participants. Third, the impossibly high win rates. Even professional traders with decades of experience rarely achieve consistent 90% accuracy. If WapEx's signals always appear correct, it's because the system is rigged to match the predictions after the fact, not because of legitimate market insight. Multiple users on Trustpilot report being scammed out of thousands of dollars. One user invested $45,900 and was unable to withdraw their money. Another user stated customer care can be contacted 24/7, but when you complain about the KOL, they always say to contact KOL. The pattern is always the same: easy profits at first, your balance grows, then when you try to withdraw, that's when the nightmare begins. Suddenly, there are verification fees, taxes, account activation charges, or the withdrawal just never processes. Some users report their accounts being frozen right before withdrawal. Multiple scam advisory websites, fraud investigation platforms, and even consumer protection agencies have flagged WapEx as a dangerous scam. The reviews are overwhelmingly negative from actual victims who lost real money. The final verdict? The WapEx Trading App looks like a scam. It's not a real trading platform. It's a sophisticated fraud operation designed to steal your money. The fake profits, the KOL leaders, the referral system, it's all part of an orchestrated scam that has victimized thousands of people. If you want to trade cryptocurrency legitimately, use only well-established regulated exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, where legal, or Gemini. Never trust platforms you were recruited to through messaging apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.